What's up guys? Gary with Fresh from the Farm Fungi. I'm about to plant my Morel kit from Blue's Best Mushrooms. So one cool thing that came with this kit is this template here for poking holes into the bag. So it's important when you're growing morels that you want the mycelium to spread into the soil. So we're just gonna go ahead and poke out this patch and lay it in a shady area that gets a little bit of sun, but it's 55 to 60 today, and then it's going to be warmer for a few more days, and then we're probably going to get a snowstorm later in the week. But it's getting close to Morel season, so the idea is that we'll get the mycelium in the ground. It will have that one freeze before the wet season, and then hopefully we get some morels around the perimeter of this bag. So I'm just gonna start poking these bags, and I cleaned it off with some alcohol prior, and clean this off real quickly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and poke the holes, and maybe this wakes up the morel mycelium. Kind of feels like Halloween, making a pumpkin. Alright, so that was super fun. We're going to go outside and plant this Blue's Best Morel kit. Alright guys, so I removed the template off this bag, and you can see there's lots of holes in there. I picked this spot right here, kind of underneath the deck next to my hop plants. So I'll just go ahead and place this bag down, and then it also came with this protective net. I think it's gonna keep the bunnies out from eating my spawn here. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat it with some of this hemp, and that's gonna help lock in that moisture. So it says not to plant it in really packed soil, and we just redid this deck last year, so the soil underneath it is really kind of aerated and nice and loose. And the idea of this hemp casing is just to keep in the moisture. Alright, so then it came with these stakes too, so I'm just gonna stake out my mesh cover. Alright, so that's my Blue's Best Morel kit. I'm gonna just water it in a little bit, and then in about 2 days it says it's supposed to snow, so I think that'll really cause this pouch to freeze, and then hopefully in the next 3 to 4 weeks we'll start seeing morels. Alright guys, I'm just watering in for maybe 3 or 4 minutes until this hemp gets fully hydrated. Make sure you check out our Etsy. We just loaded up some more hericiums, and we're gonna have a lot of cordyceps in stock. So if you're interested in dried cordyceps or lion's mane mushroom capsules, check out our Etsy, Fresh Fungi. And until next time, much love.